Technological advances have brought great benefits to the humanity. It has transformed the life conditions such as cell phones, televisions, computers, industry development, economic growth, and multiple benefits in a great amount of sectors of the economy, society, health, and communications. The growth of the world population has doubled, and with this need to improve living conditions, increasing the food production, the need for essential goods, and the energy costs. I believe that the technology is the tool that supports economic development, improves life conditions, generates physical and mental health. However, this irrational growth of the economy and technology causes effects on the environment that are irreversible, such as disappearance of forests and jungles by the growth of the cities. So many animal species are going extinct. One of the most serious consequences of all this is the global climate change, with the increasing levels of carbon dioxide. For this reason, it is necessary to use technologies specifically aimed at the conservation and protection of the environment, to promote the use of renewable resources, to promote and standardize the recycling of technological waste, norms and awareness of the responsibility and conservation of the environment. Finally, I would like to recommend to you the importance from the political and the constitutional guidelines could have a greater impact on society and the economy. The governments adopt effectively and rigorously the use of technology in the economic and social sustainability of the environment, getting stronger the use of good industrial and economic practices based on clean technology.